Alright, so there is a screw here. Let's get that off. Let's see. Oh boy, are these big. They really go deep into the vehicle, so I wonder how hard it's going to be to put this back on later. What? Still no? So there's more screws here. I'm not really liking this choice by the company. It's making the whole process. These are not as long as the other screws. Alright, so I'm gonna have to put them in order. So knowing that the smallest are gonna be for the front, and the middle size are gonna be in the middle, and then there's more screws to be taken off. And so my OCD is telling me to stay organized or you will forget how to put this back on. There is just a ton of screws here, guys. I don't know if I'm going to actually... Alright, so in the next video, I'll show you what it looks like without the canopy here. We'll see how that works out. Thanks for watching.